So the first job that we're going to be doing, we're going to be removing the pig's cheeks. So if I cut a line in the middle there, like so, and peel it back, if you can see that, and then what we're looking for here is the actual jawbone, and you can see part of it here. So we take our butcher's knife, dagger grip, and then we place it into the side of the jawbone, and there you can just start to see it reveal itself. So we're really taking our time here. Point of the knife, we want as much as this of this meat here to stay with the meat and not with the bone. A little bit more. Sometimes you can scrape into there and use the back of the knife, like so, and scrape it down. So we're going to cut down, turn it round. The one thing I would say, when you get into this part here, watch out, because below there is the teeth, and if you rattle the teeth with your knife, you're going to take the edge right off it, so just be very careful there. So we're going to move this across here and open that up. So just be very careful down there, and at the back end there's no teeth. Maybe look there, you can see where the teeth are. So you hear that? That is like iron. Many a butcher's knife have been ruined on those. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to start about a finger away from the ear downwards, and then we're going to cut down towards the corner of the mouth. So there's a finger, and then down we go. Remember, the teeth are behind there, so be very careful. Now what we're looking for, and I've nearly got it, is this joint of meat here, which joins onto this bone part here. So we'll cut in again, and like I said, have a dig around. There's no problem, you can't do any damage at all. And that's one cheek off. It's as simple as that. We'll come back to the cheeks in a bit.